What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mir, aka Big Mir. Television. We back again with another video, man. Look. We got another video, bruh. Polar bear versus walrus. Another animal fight. Let's just see what this video entails, bro. Now, look, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm extremely tired, bro. So just bear with me. But we finna just check this joint out, bro. Hopefully, this bear fight wakes me up. Oh, they got it animated. Oh, yeah, I need this.
The next day, a sea fog shrouds the island. The walruses sense that they're in danger.
It's real stuffy over there. Is that the fog or is that just them? Oh, nah. Just one bear just makes them all clear out like that.
Presenting a wall of blubber and hide.
So he just randomly attacked the... Uh-oh.
But it stands firm. It appears that the world's largest land carnivore has met his match.
Hey, he said back up, bruh. He said back up, bruh.
There must be a chink in the armor.
Is he trying to find the weakest link? I'm not gonna lie, they're all pretty sizey. Oh nah! Oh nah!
This female walrus is shielding her pup. If he can
Why?
surprise
Why he trying to go for the female? Shout out that dude that be doing the skits, bro. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
the bear's claws and teeth.
I'm not gonna lie, this is the weakest move ever, bro. Yo, this is the weakest move ever, bruh. This man went for a female that was taking her kids with her.
With the herd retreating to water, the bear was moved.
Oh my gosh, bro. Did he go back to her?
Having failed with one, he heads straight for another.
There's no way he attacks that small little one, bro. They barely even got tusks. Crazy. Just imagine you just rolling to the mall. You just trying to get to your destination with your parents. You were youngin'. Hold up, bro. My eyes are watering crazy, bro. You were youngin', bro, and you feel me? You try to go to the mall. Randomly out of nowhere, somebody said, bro, my eyes are watering crazy, bro. That just shows you how tired I am, bro. Bro, get it together. Oh, my Lord. That's why I should have wore a hat with the lights. Yikes. All right. Bro, just imagine you going to the mall, bro, and you just get attacked by a random stranger, bro. Random stranger. You just trying to get to your destination. You're 9 years old. Crazy that I'm saying that, bro. My eyes are crazy. Yo, it's crazy that I'm saying that because that sounds very, like, normal. And that sucks for me to say that. It sounds normal, but it is true. But this is a crazy video. I'm not even going to lie. Crazy how he goes for the smallest one. Goodness gracious. This is ridiculous, bro. What's finna happen? No! Desperate for that walrus meat. Oh nah! Can somebody please help him? Thank you. Spear him though. Oh, he's bleeding. He's bleeding.
The flailing walrus is immensely powerful and
Right.
drags the bear away from the
Like
shallow
crying?
towards the safety of the herd.
Am I like really like sympathetic to this situation though? I know this is natural, but like golly, what's going on here? This music is dramatic.
It slips from his grasp.
Oh yeah! Yes, sir. You ain't getting that walrus meat today, bruh. Bro, you know, in all seriousness though, like he didn't even get to eat tonight, bro. Like, he was probably trying to bring that back to his family, bro. He was probably trying to bring that back to his family, bro. And I'm over here celebrating this. Crazy. Hey, man. Circle of life. Circle of life, bro. One person dies, another is born. It's just like a layup, bro. Crazy. Anyway, bro, look. If y'all like the video, man, make sure y'all like the video, bro. I was not crying about the Walrus, bro. My eyes was watering from these lights. Crazy. All right, bro. Anyway, bro. See you on the next one. Peace.